With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Question is, find the chance of drawing 2 white balls in a succession from a bag containing 5 red balls and 7 white balls. So first of all, total number of balls are 5 plus 7, which is equals to 12 balls. Also, these two events are independent events. So let's say A is equals to first drawn ball and B is equals to second drawn ball. So as these are independent events, so let's find out the probability of getting A. It will be 7 out of 12, right? There are 7 white balls and total balls are 12. Also, let's find out the probability of getting B event, which is the second white ball. So now number of white balls left will be 6 and number of balls left are 11. So the probability of getting the second white ball will be 6 by 11. The probability of this whole event will be A intersection B, which is equals to PA dot PB, which is equals to 7 by 12 into 6 by 11. So this is 2. So the answer is 7 by 22.
For class 6 to 12, ITG and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.